Tom.
Go fix it.
I did.
You didn't.
Somebody must have did it.
Try to tell you.
Yeah, that's not good.
That's what she said.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, can they hear me when I'm talking?
Yeah.
Looks good, guys. Hey, Dad, I see you. My dad commented on our Facebook Live. These are the folks that made it happen.
Yeah, mainly me.
We're going to hide these extension cords.
If I could get my hands to unfreeze. Oh, come on. It's warm.
Looks good, guys. Y'all did a good job.
I can warm out this one.
I can't even figure out this one yet.
Hey, Dad, look at your stanchions. My dad built these stanchions. They look good, Pops. Turning backyards into wedding venues.
No, turning backyards into wedding paradise. Because that's what this is.
It is a paradise, isn't it?
Alston Paradise Rentals.
That's crazy because earlier I had a paradise. Oh, see what I did?
Looks good, though. Y'all did a good job. You're welcome, Dad.
I think I can work with the Monet. He talks weird.
All right, did y'all brought the lights down too, right, to give them?
They cut them off.
That looks really good. That's awesome. Look at these guys. Let me go help these guys with these extension cord
No,
hiders.
you don't need to help me.
I think I do.
My hands are frozen.
Frozen. It's like 60 out.
Let's go look at the light work in the tent. Veronica and Damone. That's the swag lighting in the tent. Or the tent. Looks great. That pool is is amazing. Let's go look at our thermostat. I'm proud of this tent heater, if y'all can't tell. That's hot. Here we go. Thanks, Dad. Hey, lights look great, Dad said. I did. I said Damone and Veronica did them.
Hey, you want to go get that guy so I can show him how to use that thing?
Oh yeah, let me go get the customer. All right, logging out. I'll call you later, Pops. Finally.